Have you ever really stopped to wonder what's actually going on inside your body when you decide to skip a meal or two? Well, today we are going on a journey, moment by moment, to unlock the powerful biological program that fasting sets in motion.
It seems like such a simple question, right? But the answer is incredible. See, when you stop eating, you're not just getting hungry. You're actually activating a series of ancient survival programs that are literally hardwired into your DNA. And this, right here, is the core idea. For thousands and thousands of years, our ancestors went through periods without food. It was normal. So our bodies didn't just evolve to survive that. They evolved to use that time to repair and get stronger. It's our modern constant eating lifestyle that's put those incredible programs to sleep. So you can think of fasting as the key that fits into the ignition of this ancient program. It wakes it up, it turns on very specific proteins and pathways that lead to some seriously profound healing and renewal. This is our roadmap. This is the journey your body is ready to take. We're going to walk through this timeline step by step and look at the amazing benefits that get unlocked at each of these milestones. So let's dive right in. You might be surprised to hear that some of the most powerful changes start to happen really, really fast. We're talking less than 24 hours. Our first stop is at just 12 hours. That's basically just skipping breakfast. And already something remarkable is happening. Your body triggers a major spike in human growth hormone. Now, why is that such a big deal? Well, think of growth hormone as your body's master repair signal. It's often called the anti-aging hormone because it helps maintain your tissues and organs. On top of that, it's your body's main fat-burning hormone. It helps heal your joints and it builds new proteins. All of this for free, no injections needed. Okay, let's push it a little further to 18 hours. This is where we hit a truly critical point. This is where we activate one of the most exciting processes in the entire body, something called autophagy. Autophagy. The word literally means self-eating. And that's kind of what it is. It's your body's built-in quality control and deep cleaning recycling program. It starts hunting down old, junky, damaged parts of your cells to clear them out and make way for new, healthy ones. And this isn't some random cleaning spree. Oh no, autophagy is incredibly smart. It specifically targets the bad stuff, like those sticky, damaged proteins you get from eating too much sugar, or unwanted microbes, fungus, and even the amyloid plaques that have been linked to brain issues. It's a deep, intelligent cleanup. Now, once we hit the 24-hour mark, your body gets to a major crossroads. Its primary, easy-access fuel tank is pretty much running on empty. All that sugar you had stored in your liver, it's called glycogen. It's gone. This forces your body to make a brilliant metabolic pivot. It has to switch to a much, much more efficient and powerful fuel source. And I'm telling you, this is a major upgrade. It's like switching your car from running on regular gas to running on high-octane rocket fuel. Your body stops running on sugar and starts burning fat to create something called ketones. And ketones are just a superior fuel. They crush your appetite, they act as powerful antioxidants, and they deliver more oxygen to your cells. Making that fuel switch unlocks a whole new level of benefits. System-wide inflammation just plummets. Your gut finally gets a break to heal itself. Your heart actually functions better on ketones. And get this, your brain starts repairing itself and literally growing new brain cells. How amazing is that? So, we've done the cleanup, we've upgraded the fuel, now let's see what happens when we push even further. As we go past the 24-hour mark, we shift from cleaning and efficiency into a phase of deep, profound regeneration. At 48 hours, you hit another massive milestone. Your body starts to significantly ramp up the stimulation of its own stem cells. Now, your stem cells are your body's master builders. They're like blank slates that can become any type of tissue your body needs to repair, whether it's in your gut, your joints, or your brain. This process also fires up the creation of new mitochondria, the little power plants in your cells, kicking off some serious body-wide renewal. And if you can push to 72 hours, that effect just gets amplified big time. You get the maximum possible stem cell stimulation, and you trigger a major regeneration of your entire immune system. You're essentially building a newer, younger army of immune cells to defend you. Okay, the science is just incredible, right? But the question is, how do we actually put this into practice?
So let's talk about a simple game plan and tackle a couple of common worries that always come up.
A fantastic and really sustainable way to get into that autophagy sweet spot is the 18-6 method. It's so simple. You just eat all your meals within a 6-hour window each day, and then you fast for the other 18. It's a rhythm that fits pretty easily into most people's lives.
Now, you might start fasting and notice something that kind of freaks you out. You check your blood sugar in the morning and it's a little high, even though you haven't eaten. So what is going on there? Well, this is super common. It's called the dawn phenomenon.
So first, don't panic. You didn't do anything wrong. It's simply your liver releasing a little bit of stored sugar in response to that natural cortisol surge that happens every morning. It's not from food, and as your body adapts to fasting, this tends to level out. A little morning exercise is a great way to burn that glucose right off.
Okay, another big question that comes up all the time is about LDL cholesterol. You know, the one they often call the bad cholesterol. Some people start fasting and they see that number go up, and understandably, they get a little worried.
But it is absolutely crucial to understand the context here. Think of LDL as a fleet of delivery trucks. When you fast, your body is in a massive repair and healing phase. Those LDL trucks are just delivering the raw materials, the cholesterol, that your cells desperately need to rebuild their walls and make vital hormones. A temporary increase in traffic can be a sign that the healing is well underway.
So when you look at this entire journey, from the hormone shifts to the deep cellular cleanup and all the way to stem cell renewal, you realize that fasting isn't about deprivation. It's about activation. It's about waking up this powerful, ancient healing program that is already built right inside of you. So really, the only question is, are you ready to switch it on?